What began as shoplifting at Walmart quickly shifted as this man, Shane C.L. Newman, was about to do the unthinkable.
Hey! Hey!
Let's go. Come on. This way, guys. Yeah, probably. Unless you guys did something crazy. You didn't do anything crazy, did you? No, you should be using a theft charge. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Here we go. In here, guys.
How do we have to go in?
Because that's the way it is. Have a seat. Got anything on you I need to know about? Why's your hand in your pocket?
It's not falling.
I'm going to pat you down real quick, alright?
That's cool.
Nothing on you? Was going to poke me, stab me?
No. Cordelia was just yeah. I just kicked them out. Cordelia.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat. Nothing on you that I need to know about?
I do have this this shit I stole. This bag and shit.
What's in there?
They only pay for the card. Yeah.
Go ahead and see for me. Anything else in there I should know about, my man? Yeah, come on.
I have a valid prescription.
As the officer focused on processing the suspects, the male reached for a concealed handgun and attempted to shoot.
Use a native verse, please. 5550. Hey! Hey!
No! No, Shane, please!
Get back!
No! Shane, please stop!
Need help! Give us your hands, now! Don't touch him!
Do not touch anything.
Don't say that.
193, send me some units.
You don't have to beat me up like that.
Fucking point. Sorry. Shane Newman.
Good?
Yeah.
Good shooting.
Guns over there. Do you have one in the chamber? Yeah. I don't know if you have one in the chamber.
I'll go grab my camera and take pictures of all
I don't know if this is something they want BCI for, but I mean, there's no evidence really, but
I mean, it's attempted murder.
it is attempted.
Well,
He would have. Oh, he would have got me for sure for a simple. Well, he had a warrant that he tried to lie about. Yeah.
Do you have a laser on it? When you pulled it out?
Oh yeah.
Did it
Yeah.
shine at you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because that was the first thing I saw.
They're man's loaded.
Well, he racked it. He like pulled the trigger, went to rack it. Conrad he like came over because I got up and I was like this. Conrad's on, like get off of him, but then the kid gave up. I'm gonna have to call. He got struck a couple times, but I don't think he had his head covered.
Good.
Oh yeah. Dude, he fucking.
Sorry, that almost happened.
He pointed right at my face and pulled the trigger
Where'd you got it?
under the seat.
Oh, wow. Who all was in here?
All of us. Well, 3 APME.
All right. You're out, so we'll do the investigation. Where they at? Where'd you guys?
Out here.
All right. Chill out over there for a minute.
I asked for one.
195.
I don't know if they want DV.
Make us primary on this. 193.
You ended up tossing the gun?
No, he ended up dropping it because he went to rack it. As he racked it, Conrad tackled him and it fucking fell down.
That's Conrad?
Yeah.
It's not Fancy Friday.
I had an interview today.
You look very handsome.
You got cameras in here?
My body camera's on the guy too.
Can you get that footage off this computer?
Well, wait till ID comes. Guns under the chair.
Well, there's the gun.
My Scooby Jack and be alright, basically. Okay. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Did you have any additional traffic to video me?
Thank you. Sorry.
Just make sure nobody leaves. Sarge, I don't know if you want the DV out here for this. Get these two for theft. Have them in here. They're cooperative. He's being kind of weird, but he hands me that full of pills.
Okay.
So I do pat him down, but I didn't get his pouch that he had. So as I'm sitting there, he lies about his name. Finally tells me it's then inquiry just told me he's got 881. So he's armed and dangerous. As soon as he does that, he pulls the gun out, puts it on my head, pulls the trigger, doesn't go off. Conrad comes over here to tackle him. I draw. He ends up giving up. I couldn't take a shot because Conrad was on him, but gun's over there.
Okay. Leave.
I think they have the suspect.
Yeah, there's two suspects.
Okay, you guys. Okay, then you guys run them. Start getting. You got the male or female?
Female with female.
Get running all her stuff. Let's get her Form 8 going and get her out the county.
Her charge is going to be theft.
That's all. I was going to release him. That was the thing. Like it was just going to be a summons.
Did she do anything during all this?
I mean, not the
Just
gun
the
part.
theft,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
She has
So
two
we can get her and cut her.
bullets
Like
in
give
her.
her.
Do you
bullets
do you
in
want
her pocket?
She has 2 bullets.
Make sure she's not under disability. If she is, here with that too.
do you want DB to interview her though?
You know what? Yeah.
ID's already coming.
We'll go to headquarters.
Yep.
Just make sure that no one, you guys don't leave.
He's gonna stay here. I'm gonna go to the back. Conrad is taking a walk.
All right.
So
All right.
You want me to stay here and hold the office?
Yeah, for right now. You good?
I'm good.
Alright.
He did get struck a couple times with my fist.
That's fine. That's, I mean, the fact that that's there, and did you undo the mag, or did that just come out during
Came out
the tussle?
when it fell.
Okay, so he probably didn't have it seated, hence the jam. And
All right, here, he's coming with you. So he can walk you through it. I'm happy you're all right.
Fucking face. Look at that. I'm putting him in reward.
He'll go to prison for 30 plus years. Hopefully they take it.
He tried to do it again. Look.
Thank God for Conrad.
I said I'm putting him in for a reward, but
Citizen of the Year.
I was going to shoot him right here,
Yeah.
but Conrad was there.
Newman was taken into custody and later charged with attempted murder of a police officer, felonious assault on a peace officer, robbery, aggravated possession of drugs, and weapons under disability. The female suspect, Katerina D. Jeffrey, was also arrested and charged with complicity to commit robbery.